Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson we're going to look at steps to clean and recreate the partitions of a USB flash drive to fix common problems. For example, issues accessing the drive and data corruption. This instruction will help you to resolve error messages such as please insert a disk into a USB drive or Windows wasn't able to complete the format. So if you can't get the USB to work, if it is not broken, you can use these instructions on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Now to get started, open Start and look for the terminal or PowerShell. Then right-click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Then in my case, I'm going to open the PowerShell console. Depending on how you have configured the Windows terminal, PowerShell might open automatically. So the first command that we're going to use is the get disk command and then press enter. This is going to list all the available drives connected to the computer. And I can clearly see that my USB flash drive is number 5. And I can also identify the USB because of the size of the drive. Now we're going to type once again the get disk command, but we're not going to specify the drive number. In my case, it's number 5. And then we're going to follow up with a pipeline symbol. And then we're going to use the clear -disk -remove data command. It's important to note that you select the correct drive, otherwise you might delete data from a drive that you didn't intend to, and then press enter. Now type Y and press enter to confirm that everything on that drive is going to be wiped out. Now type this command to create a partition using the NTFS file system and assign a name for the USB drive. So let me explain this command. First, we're going to use the new partition command, and then we're going to select the disk, which in my case is number 5. So we're going to update that. The use maximum size is going to make sure that we're creating a partition using all the available space on that specific drive. Then we're going to use a pipeline symbol, and then we're going to format the drive using the format-volume command followed by the file system, which in this case is NTFS. However, you can use FAT32 if you need to use a USB flash drive for a specific task, such as loading the BIOS update to update the firmware on your computer. And then we're going to use the new file system label. And here you can choose anything you want for the name. In my case, I'm using my USB flash as the name. When using commands, try to use a name that doesn't have spaces. And now press enter. And now, as you can see, the USB flash drive has been formatted. And just like that, we created a new partition and we formatted it with the NTFS file system. Now, the last command that we need to run is the get partition. And we have to specify the disk number, which in my case is number 5. Then we're going to use a pipeline symbol. And then we're going to set that partition with a drive letter using the new drive letter switch. And then you need to specify the drive letter that you want to assign to this drive. In this case, I'm using F, but you have to make sure that you're using a letter that is not taken by another drive already on your computer. If I open File Explorer, I can see that F is already taken. So I almost made a mistake in that. So let me just change this to, let's just use H and then press enter. And once we do that, the command is going to assign a drive letter to the drive, and that is going to be available on File Explorer. And now we can open the drive and you should be able to access it. Now, if for some reason you're not able to fix the flash drive using these commands, then there is a chance that the flash drive might be broken and you might need to replace it. And that's it. That's pretty much how you leverage PowerShell to fix most common issues with a USB flash drive when you're not able to format it or use other tools to get it to work. Now, this is of course as long as the issue is a logical problem and not a physical problem with the flash drive. Also, it's important to note that this instruction not only works for USB flash drives, but you can also use it for other types of drives, that being an internal drive or an external USB hard drive. Just make sure that you select the correct drive, otherwise you're going to delete data on the incorrect drive. Now, let me know in the comments if you had a USB flash drive with an issue that you were not able to fix, and through these commands, the USB worked one more time. Also, let me know in the comments what other type of contents do you like to see on the channel. And remember to like the video, share it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.